Next let us see exercise 13.7 question number 3. The height of a cone is 15 centimeter if its volume is 1570 centimeter cube. Find the radius of the base. They ask you to write the pi value as 3.14. So they are given, what is given in this question? Height is 15 centimeter. H is equal to 15 centimeter. Then volume 1570 centimeter cube. And the pi value is given in this question as 3.14. Using these three values, we have to find out the radius of the cone, isn't it? So, volume is given as 1570 centimeter cube. So, what will be the volume formula? Volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. That is given as 1570, isn't it? So, substitute the pi value as 3.14 and h value as 15 in this question. So, what we will get? 1 by 3 into 3.14 into r square. R value only we must find out. So, write r square into h, 15. The right side will be 1570. So, 3 and 15 we can cancel 5 times. Okay. So, you have to write 5, 3.14 into 5 into r square is this much. Therefore, r square equal to, what will be our r square? 1570 divided by 3.14 into 5. Okay. Then 5 and 1570 we can cancel with 5 table. So, this equal to 5. 3 5s are 15. 1 5 is 5. Balance 2, 20. 5 4s are 20. Okay. So, 314 divided by 3.14. The denominator is in decimal. So, for removing the decimal, after decimal, how many digits are here? 2. So, we must multiply numerator and denominator by 100. With the pencil, you must write this 100. Okay. So, we will get 31400 divided by 314 into 100. The decimal will come 2 place right. Isn't it? So, r square we will get as 100. So, r equal to square root of 100. What is square root of 100? 10. So, the radius of the base is 10 centimeter. Question number 6. 4 and 5 homework. Question number 6, you will see that the volume of a right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of the base is 28 centimeter, find the height of the cone, second one the slant height of the cone, and the third one the CSA, curved surface area of the cone. So, for finding these three, they are given that the diameter of the base, diameter is 2 times the radius, isn't it? So, diameter is 28 centimeters. So, what will be the radius? Radius equal to 14 centimeter. Next, what is given in this question? They are given the volume of the cone. Volume of the cone they are given as, what is volume of the cone given data? 9856 centimeter cube. Okay. So, volume of the cone, we know the formula. What is the formula for volume of a cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. That is given as 9856. Okay. So, r value we know that they didn't give you the h value. First, we must find out the h value. Isn't it? First part of the question is find the height of the cone. For that, what we have to do means, we must substitute the pi value 22 by 7 and the r value in this left side. We will get 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 into h. That is our right side 9856. Therefore, h is equal to 9856 into 3 into 7 divided by 22 into 14 into 14. 3 into 7, numerator comes, 22 into 14 into 40, denominator will come. Okay, so we can do the cancellation. See, 7 and 14 two times. Okay, then I am doing with calculation with the two table here. 4 2s are 8, 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16. So we will get h is equal to 4928 into 3 divided by 22 into 14. Okay. Next we can do this one. See, 4928, it is a multiple of 7, isn't it? 14 is also a multiple of 7. So I am doing this and this with the higher table as 7. So 2 7s are 14. 7 7s are 49. 2 divided by 7 is not possible. So what you have to write? 0. 28. How many 7s are 28? 4 7s are 20. Understood? Then again I am doing with the 2 table. 704. 3 2s are 6. Balance 1. 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are. Okay. So what is the rest here? 352 into 3 divided by 22. So this I am cancelling with the 11 table. 2 11s are 22. 3 11s are 33. Balance what? 2. 22 let the rest are 22 divided by 11 is 2. Again 2 I can cancel 16 times. So h is equal to 16 into 3. That is h is equal to 48 centimeter. So the first part of the question, find the value of h, that is over. Now let us see the second part of the question, slant height of the cone. So slant height L, what is the formula? Square root of h square plus r square, because slant height is the longest. Okay, longest measure is slant height. So L equal to square root of h square plus r square. H we got from equation 1, that is from first part of the question, 48. So 48 square plus 14 square is equal to root of 48 square is 2304 plus 14 square is 9196. That is equal to 2500. That L is equal to, what is square root of 2500? 50. So slant height, we got the value as slant height as 50 centimeter. Next they ask you to find out CSA. Next they ask you to find out the third part of the question as CSA, curved surface area. Third part is CSA of cone. What is the formula CSA of a cone? Pi RL square unit. Curved surface area only volume part we are discussing, but CSA already we studied, isn't it? So pi RL square unit is the curved surface area of the cone. So 22 by 7, our R value is 14, our L value now we got it. What is our slant height L? 50. Substitute here. So 7 and 14 two times. 22 into 2, 44 into 50. That is 2200 centimeter cube. Sorry, centimeter square. Because it is the curved surface area. So the unit will be square centimeter or centimeter square.